Hello everyone. Today I want to show you how to breathe. Basically, when you're born, you breathe in your tummy. Have you ever seen a baby sleeping or just breathing? Or even your dog when they breathe? When they breathe in their tummy like this. So all the air go in the tummy. We don't use any muscles in our neck or our chest to bring the air inside the lungs. We only use the muscles in our tummy like this. So as you can see, my shoulders are relaxed. So even when I breathe, I can breathe very deeply, all the way in, and my shoulders will never move. It's just my belly. Look at my belly here. So my neck is not doing any effort to breathe. Look at this again. So I'm not only not lifting my shoulders, I'm also not squeezing any muscles in my upper thorax. As you see again, look at my muscles here. They're completely relaxed. Most of us, over time, we change our breathing pattern and we start breathing in the chest like this. So we lift our shoulders, or we use these muscles here on the neck, and we tense all these muscles. So basically, what this does, it creates anxiety. So you might not know it, but you might be a anxiety making machine 24/7 just by the way you're breathing. When you breathe on your chest and you use this muscle here, you are bringing your energy all the way here. So your energy go from here like this, okay? And you can see people when you see them walking or talking, they are here all the time, and it's like they have something here that it doesn't allow them to talk or to breathe properly, and that's because they are using all these muscles to bring the air into the lungs. However, if you breathe how we're meant to breathe, I would say in the belly. By the way, there are so many different names, but just say belly. When you breathe here, you ground yourself. So you bring all your energy down to the root and the base chakras. And from there, you are grounded and you're solid. So you might have met someone in your life that you look at them, they look like they're so solid that you can push them and you won't move them. It's probably because of the way they breathe. So if you want to increase the quality of your life, the step number one is learn how to breathe properly in your tummy. And for that, there are a few exercises we can do. First of all, if you are always breathing here, it's very difficult that just by changing your behavior, you will start breathing normally in your tummy. Why? Because for us to breathe in the tummy, there's a whole set of muscles that need to work in conjunction to create this vacuum inside the lungs. So, by the way, the lungs, they don't move by themselves. The lungs are in a vacuum. So it's a vacuum that is composed by all the chest and the muscles and everything that cover the lungs plus the diaphragm at the bottom. So to breathe, we have to increase the size of this vacuum. And for that, some people use the chest. So we create space for the lungs to fill up with air, right? However, what I'm suggesting here is that the way we should breathe is in the tummy. So we increase the vacuum, we bring the diaphragm down, and then with that we increase the size of the vacuum and the lungs will naturally inflate. Now, we have two diaphragms, not only one. We have a diaphragm here and a diaphragm all the way down there at the bottom of the pelvic floor. So the way we breathe, we move these two diaphragms together like this when we breathe. Now what happens? If we don't do this normally, the diaphragm, especially the one at the bottom, or with all the muscles of the pelvic, is tight. It's very difficult to do it. So it's going to be very hard for you to do a deep inhale in the tummy if your muscles are tight. That's why we practice yoga. That's why you have to stretch and do different poses to increase and open up this whole area here, which is the correct way of breathing. If you have any questions or you find this interesting, please put them in the comment below. And if you think that this helped, or if you have a different way of doing this, please let us know as well. Lots of love. Talk to you soon. Bye.